Good day, doctor.
Hello.
My name is Lawrence Gabriel
Mm-hmm.
Subili. I am a nurse from the emergency department, and I am calling regarding a patient, Mr. Mabisim, 56-year-old male in a room 6669. The main concern is uncontrolled blood sugar with associated symptoms of fatigue, excessive thirst, and frequent urination.
All right. Go ahead and provide more details about this case.
Mr. Sin was brought to the emergency department due to persistently high blood sugar levels over the past week, despite taking his usual medications. His reports increased risk, frequent urination, blurred vision, and fatigue. He also complains of dizziness and a tingling sensation in his feet. His current random blood glucose level is 410 mg per dl, and his fasting glucose earlier today was 320 mg per dl. He denies any nausea, vomiting, or confusion, but states that he has been feeling weaker than usual.
Okay, understood. What is his background and medical history?
The patient has a 10-year history of type 2 diabetes mellitus and is currently taking metformin 1000 mg twice daily and glycoside 60 mg once daily. He also has hypertension managed with losartan 50 mg daily. He is overweight with a BMI of 29. He denies recent infections but mentions that he has had a non-healing wound on his right foot for the past 2 weeks. He does not smoke but drink alcohol occasionally. Both parents had a history of diabetes.
Given his history and current symptoms, this could indicate poor glycemic control, possible diabetic neuropathy, or even an underlying infection. What are his current vital signs and assessment findings?
Doc, upon assessment, his vital signs are as follows. The blood pressure is 120 over 90. The pulse is 110 beats per minute. The respiratory rate is 12 breaths per minute. And the temperature is 38. And the oxygen saturation is 91% on room air. The random blood glucose is 410 mg per dl. And he appears fatigued and slightly dehydrated with dry oral mucosa. He has mild bilateral pedal edema and decreased sensation in both feet. And the non-healing wound on his right foot is approximately 2 centimeter in diameter with mild redness and no active drainage. No signs of diabetic ketoacidosis such as small breathing or fruity breath are noted.
Alright, his symptoms and blood sugar levels suggest uncontrolled diabetes. And the foot wound rises, concern for possible diabetic foot infection. What do you need from me?
Doc, based on these findings, I would like to request your recommendations regarding further management. Would you like to order an HbA1c test, blood glucose monitoring, and a wound culture? Should we start IV fluids for hydration and consider insulin therapy to lower his blood sugar levels? Would you like to initiate antibiotics for the foot wound? At what point would you like to be notified again if his condition worsens?
Yes, I'd like on HbA1c test, blood glucose monitoring every 4 hours, and a wound culture with sensitivity testing. Start IV fluid also for hydration and initiate sliding scale insulin therapy. Start hemiperic antibiotics for potential infection, and we can adjust based on culture results. If his blood sugar remains above 400 despite insulin therapy um, if he develops any signs of DKA or sepsis, notify me immediately. I will assess the patient in person shortly.
Okay, understood, Doc. I will proceed with your orders and update you as needed.
Yeah. Thank you. Keep me informed of any significant changes. Okay, bye.